Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication security on your Hostinger account. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you want the best plan, visit the link in the description box to get free domain, free website migration, 24/7 customer support if you have any problem. So basically what you're going to do, click on the profile icon and then choose security. On the security page, you will see the list of available two-factor authentication methods, applications like Google factor authentication or email, since the only one 2FA method can be active at the time. Select the most suitable one for you by clicking on this Ads tab and then click Enable, right? And basically, if you want to do the mobile application, this is their recommended method. You need to scan the QR code, okay, and then add the code right here, right, and then verify. And after verifying, you will be presented with the backup codes to use if you lose your device. Make sure to save or download them. Eventually, click on Finish Setup. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.